Set switch 2, in dip switch SW3, to on, in the receiver. Use a thin screwdriver. Disconnect the power. Turn the transmitter upside down. Remove the battery. Remove the 6 screws holding the bottom of the transmitter with a Phillips 2. Carefully pull up the bottom of the transmitter. Set switch 4, in dip switch SW1, to off, in the transmitter. Remount the back, so that the entire back at this length is in the groove on the upper part. Make sure that the cable is not pinched between the upper part and the bottom. Tighten the screws 1 Nm. Insert the battery.